All right, happy Friday morning. Today is Friday, September 6th. It's 5:15 a.m. There are two pairs that are on the move, and I am telling you right now, they are in an official reversal pattern. The yen is getting stronger against all currencies, but particularly these two currencies are in a certified, from my analysis, in a certified reversal pattern, and they have a long way to go. So there's a lot of profit potential here. Over 700 pips per profit potential in these trades I'm about to discuss with you. The first one is the US dollar JPY. This is in a definite reversal pattern. Okay. There's no doubt about it. Everything looks good. As you can see here, let's see, we'll get this a little closer. Well, as you can see here, the price action is steadily going downward against the dollar. That means the yen is getting stronger against the dollar. Price action is far away from the conversion line here and the baseline. Both are pointing downward. You got a downward cloud forming. Everything looks fantastic. And like I said, this is like a 700 pip trade. This is a beautiful trade. Doesn't get better than this. You really may want to consider this trade. It looks fantastic. And it's just going downward. I mean, you can go out to the weekly here. Yes, it's in the cloud, but from the downward trend, it's just gonna everything is pointing towards it breaking right through the base of this cloud in a few weeks. I'm in this trade already, but this is a trade you really may want to consider because as you can see, the weekly baseline and conversion line are flat and together. Yes, you have your upward cloud still, but I don't know if you can see the top portion of the upward cloud. The top upper edge of this upward cloud is starting to bend downward, and your baseline is flat. So it could always change. So like I always tell you, use protection. You don't know what's out there. Always use a good stop loss. Find a logical place to keep your stop losses and just uh, maintain good risk management and you'll be fine. But it looks like it's going to break right through this cloud. So everything looks fantastic. So yeah, the USD JPY pair is the trade of the week. And from my analysis, it's just going to keep going. Right now, we got a little fight because as you can see, back in on the 5th of August, it went down to, let's see, this is 141.605. 645. I'm sorry, 141.691. Went down there and then it got a huge rejection. But from all signs and further analysis from the huge picture, it's going to break right through there. So you got a little fight going. It's got a little fight going towards that little boundary there. You see how on the what's this? Yep, the 5th of September yesterday it went down and it went back. That's because this is a barrier. It's a slight barrier. It's not a big barrier. So that's why you see this little fight here, these little wicks. Powers that be, somebody that has a significant, well, not somebody, not one, just one person can do this, but groups of people, whomever, banks, institutions, whomever that have a large enough position, they're fighting this. So, but the sentiment now is everything, the yen is getting stronger. So you might see another wick today, maybe next week, or maybe the following week, but it's going to break that. And this thing is just going to keep going down. My experience and my personal analysis, I say this is a great trade. It's going to keep going down. There's nothing holding it back. We got a ways to go. All right, the next one, CADJPY. This is another beautiful trade. Yes, the price action is in between the conversion line and the baseline here. But you go out to the weekly analysis here. Yes, we're in the cloud, but it's the same thing. Everything's pointing downward. This is this is a sign that it can change. Now, this is what we call in Ichimoku, well, it's forming an Ichimoku twist, where it could twist and go back up, or twist and continue down. But from my analysis experience, I believe it's going to go right through this cloud. Going to get a downward cloud forming, and it's just going to keep rolling. So again, these two, the USD JPY, CAD JPY, are the pairs to trade. Look at this. You got your nice daily cloud, downward cloud forming. So that means all the lower time frames are going to be looking fantastic. I can show you here. Go down to the 15-minute. It's pulling back, but I would not be concerned about that. Let's see. Because as you can see in this 4-hour chart, it's flat, but it's already starting this downward cloud. And really, there's nothing that's gonna hold it back. Again, we'll go back to the USD JPY. We got the 4-hour cloud. And as you can see, it's steady, a nice, beautiful downward cloud that's forming. So I know a lot of folks like to trade these lower time frames. So 4-hour, the hour, all these things are looking good. Yes, things they're retracing, but you can see it's right on the conversion line. So worst case scenario, it'll go to the baseline here. This is the 1-hour chart. So it'll go to the baseline and then go back down. Same thing with this CAD JPY. Go down to the 1-hour chart. Same thing. It's on the conversion line. So don't let it fool you into thinking that it's getting weaker. It's not. The yen is getting stronger. These are the smaller pictures. This is a smaller time frame. So you know, you go out to the bigger picture. Always go out to the bigger picture, see what's going on. And these are in a definite downtrend. There's no doubt about it, no question about it. From my analysis and years of experience, these two pairs are going down. Now, the yen is going down against all other pairs, but right now, there were some particular barriers I'm waiting for those to break before I consider those solid downward trends. But that's why right now the CAD JPY and the USD JPY are in confirmed solid downward trends. So do your own analysis, and if you agree with me, or you know if you agree that the yen is getting stronger, I would you know, go ahead and jump in, but do your own analysis. Like I said, always, 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 always practice good risk management. You know, keep those tight stops. Always use protection, because you don't know what's out there and what could happen. Because, you know, with any market, everything could go the opposite direction. Even after my years of experience and my hours of analysis on these two particular pairs that I'm discussing, something could happen. It always happen, and it can go in the opposite direction. Everything gets and go against everything I've said. So always do your own analysis, but the most important thing is to keep those stop losses in good logical spots. Always use proper risk management. You find yourself getting overexcited or euphoric, that means that the beast mind, your monkey brain, is kicking in. The monkey brain that we all have, that I discussed earlier. So that means it's time to step away from the your trading station if that happens. Same thing if you find yourself getting upset or depressed because you're losing, time to step away. Okay, always watch out for that monkey brain, because once it kicks in, you're out for the count. I promise you that. You know, you can look it up on YouTube. There's deep research that's been done about it. Once your monkey brain kicks in, it's over. You're gonna trade and trade and trade until you in a negative way, until you have nothing left, and then some. So, but anyway, USD JPY, CAD JPY are the pairs that have broken all barriers, and they have a far deep drop. So the yen is getting stronger. It is a certified reversal pattern. You got to excuse me, it's still early, but certified reversal pattern. So the own analysis and jump in. I'm in there, and I'm going for the ride. This is a great trade. So it's gonna. This, like I said, this is a great quarter, and the quarter started off great, and it's continuing to be great. So if you're a trader, hop on in, and I will see you next time. Good luck to you.